Gold and silver continued to trade bearish yesterday as well, and today in the early trades I have already seen the lows at 28.60 and 31.20. Remember, I have been saying this again and again in each and every update that gold prices are getting fragile with every rise, and now any point of time we can see it dropping and erasing the gains. Can we say that today is again going to be another massive bearish day for gold and silver? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. If you look at the hourly charts, yes, the prices are just striking 20 period moving average and are consistently trading bearish, delivering lower lows, lower highs. It is the channel in which it is trading. The moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. Since last couple of days, I have mentioned the 4-hour charts also have seen this crossover, and this crossover on the moving averages is appearing after a long time, and thus this may sustain for a while. And that is what we had seen. Now it is looking downward and breaching below 2860. Now 2860 levels, once it breaches, the targets are going to be towards 2850, 52. 2840, and in fact we may see 2820 levels. Possibility is there. Remember, when it was rising, we did not question the rise because we have seen massive rally in last 8 weeks in gold. Right from 2600 levels, we have seen it hitting all the way towards 2950. So now this is the time possibly gold would like to erase some of the gains. See, the stochastic has come to an oversold zone on the hourly charts. The MACD again looking downwards, trading bearish and again crossing over for the sell, and the RSI is again looking. Yes, the indicators are coming to an oversold zone, but remember, these are the times when it gets oversold, more sellers should pitch in. Look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation, the crossover here. Now look at every chart. See, for months and weeks, you can see on the 2-hour chart itself, we have not seen gold crossing over such massively, and now after a while it has crossed over for the sell. So there is a strong possibility that it may continue in this bearish trend for a while before it reverses completely. Yes, there could be a little retracement, but I doubt that it is not going to be a reversal at least, which suggests that it is not going to now break past 2920 levels any point of time in near future. That is my expectation. Look at the 2-hour charts here. See, steps are created, one bearish candle, second information, trading below 2860. Certainly we are now looking forward to a move all the way towards 2850, or in fact 2840 and 20 levels. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI is coming to an oversold zone. Indicators are certainly coming to slightly oversold levels, but again, these are the times when more sellers should come in when the prices drop, because it is highly overbought. We have expected this, we have predicted this, that things are getting overbought here in gold, and it should not sustain. Now look at the 3-hour charts as well. See, this is how it has been trading, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 2854, 55, and then 2850. If these two levels are taken, certainly we are looking at 2840 levels direct lending, and then below 2840 is where we are looking at 2820 levels directly. Possibility is there. It is possible that it may show you swings before taking the direction. Look at the moving averages trading with sharp divergence, sharp bearishness. Stochastic at bottom as well. MACD trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI is at bottom as well. On the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. See, preceding candle is very, very important. Whenever you see a price getting a push from the higher levels and closing in red and then continue, this suggests that the trend might continue here for a while. We may see fewer or more candles from here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Look at this crossover. Again, strong divergence. And if you notice, since the beginning of 2025, when it is crossed over on the buy side, 4-hour charts never turned red here. And after almost 2 months, it is crossing over here. And thus, this is going to continue for a while. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI staying oversold. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, if you look at, Notice this is how it has been trading. Now just wait for it to stay below 28.54, 55 and 28.50 levels. Once these two levels are taken, the next targets are going to be towards 28.40 and 28.20 levels. See, there is a lot much of downside available in gold, and looking at the gravity here, you can see first candle, second one a stronger one, third one could be further strong. Yes, there is a strong probability to it. Already it has formed a wick on the upside and it has taken the direction. So as in how it breaches past the support levels, specifically below 28.50 and 40, more bearishness should prevail. Stochastic looking down. Now on the MACD, I have shared this several times in the last few updates. We have seen a massive rise in gold, and this was the single straight bullish candle, bullish run here. You can see. Now, this is the time when it has crossed over. So you can see the white space on the downside. There is a lot much of downside available here. What it may do best is trade bearish, then converge a little, then trade bearish. This is how it may perform for the next few weeks. Possibility is high that a little bearishness may prevail. RSI is now looking downwards. So now looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, since we have seen a good drop, there could be swings possible where we can see a little rise then followed with a bigger drop, little rise followed with a bigger drop. This is how it may perform. Because if it does not do that, then the buyer should not might not get trapped here. So just stay cautious with the buys, though you can buy here at 28.72 levels, but then also I will say till 28.85 today, we have to be extremely cautious. Do not trade that gold is reversing as long as 28.85 is not taken on the upside. So first thing is where to buy. Ideally, I will recommend you to buy at 28. See, those who want to risk a little, because see 28.72 appears to be a little far above level. You can buy at 28.68. Expect it to move towards 28.72.74. The first target zone, then 28.80 the next, and then 28.84.85. If it breaks beyond 28.84.85, that is the point of time you can just stay with the bias there, and you can expect it to cover almost towards 28.96, or in fact 29.0405, though appears difficult looking at the momentum today. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 56 levels. Expect 28.50.52 as the first target zone, 28.40.42 as the next. Once it trades below 28.40.42, chances will be very high that we will look forward to 28.20 levels very soon. But I will say, trade with caution. Things are getting slightly oversold. It can show you swings and then take the direction. Do not get trapped. Just trade with a stop loss and trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's move to silver. On the hourly charts, likewise similar formation here. I have mentioned this, after every drop it consolidates or retraces. See, it is consolidated here in this zone for a while, 32 to 31.50, and now has taken a direction. Now see, after taking the direction again, it has tried to move beyond 31.50.60, but it also, notice on the downside, it is finding 31.20 as a very strong support level here. So now when you see the higher price, this price below 31.20, not this one but this one below 31.20, you can take a sell. Expect it to move towards 31, and remember, once it trades below 31, we will look forward to 30.75 or 30.50 levels. The stochastic has retraced. The MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying bearish. It may in fact form a double bottom before bouncing back. RSI very close to the bottom. Coming to 2-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Only thing is the consolidation it is showing at the current levels. It has to come out of this current zone. Once it comes out of this current zone, it is again going to take the trend for a while from here. Notice it is, after the drop, it is consolidated and retraced. It has given a breakout, and thus this may sustain for a while before consolidating or retracing. Moving averages here are also trading with divergence and bearishness. The stochastic is definitely oversold while the MACD and RSI both are trading bearish. Coming to 3 on the 3-hour charts, the moving averages definitely are trading with divergence and bearishness. The drop here, the retracement, and now looking downwards. The possibility of a further down move exists. Only worry point is the support it is taking here at around 3120. And thus it is very important for silver to come out of this. The next observation here is the double top. It is forming at 3140 and then the 20 period moving average. One thing is very clear, the reversal confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades above 32. Remember, these are markets, it can show you one side of the picture and then reverse it completely. So you have to be cautious here. Stochastic definitely oversold, MACD is still bearish and RSI almost at bottom. Things are getting oversold here for silver. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see, forming a base, it is trying to recover. It is possible that we may see a little retracement here. It is very important for silver to come out of this zone, come out of the levels below 3120. Else what it is doing, it is formed a double bottom. It could try to retrace and then this will become a reversal here. But I will say as long as now 3140, 3160 and in fact 3232 anyways is the clear reversal level which should not be breached, because beyond 32 we are looking forward to a greater rise. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely bearish, RSI at bottom here. Coming to now, look at the daily charts. Yesterday we have seen a resistance from 20 period and then this again a good fall is seen. Now it has come towards the support zone and it is very important for silver to come out of this zone 3120 31. Else I will not trade this as bearish as long as this zone 3120 31 is not taken off. Once it trades below this, the probability will be very high that 3075, 3050 will be seen. But when you look at the movement, I have shared this several times. See, this is how silver has been trading. And after this big bearish move, this was under retracement. So now once it comes out of this retracement channel, you can say we are looking forward to a greater round of correction. And then you can connect this how it is going to be. It is going to be like this, where the lows are far below here. Be mindful of this. Stochastic definitely oversold. Look at the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence. Imagine if it comes towards the bottom here, where the prices are going to be. RSI has dropped. So considering now, I will recommend a buying entry in silver in at only if you see it is staying above 3140, where we can expect it to move towards 3160. 3160 is one stronger level which it should break in order to show a reversal, then 3175 and then 3190, 32. Till 32 it has got greater resistances. Beyond 32 there is no looking back. On the downside, sell at 3110 levels, expect 3095, 3075, 3050. Below 3050 we are looking forward to a greater drop all the way towards 30. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it.